Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Anastasia Beverly Hills just released their spring release, and there is an eyeshadow palette, there's some highlighters, and there's a setting spray. Now, I personally didn't get the setting spray because I don't want a dewy set just because I'm oily as it is, and I'm gonna start looking dewy naturally. So I didn't go ahead and get that, but I did get the eyeshadow palette, which is stunning. So this is the outside carton for the Riviera eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette itself is beautiful. Now, this is the eyeshadow palette. Looks just like the outside carton, but this is kind of like a canvas fabric. And then on the inside, it is beautiful. So those eyeshadow colors, they just speak to me. I know they have the sultry palette, I've got the subculture and modern renaissance, and they're a little more not so bright. But this, I'm excited to see what I can come up with today using this palette. And then, like I said, there are the highlighters, and I was able to buy the PR collection. Now, the Riviera PR collection was available online to purchase, but it was completely sold out by the time I got online. I did, however, get the highlighters, and this packaging is stunning. This glitter, though, if you remember the sultry palette, is so similar. It's just a rose gold color vice the brown. Now, you open this up and you have 3 highlighters. So the first highlighter is Snowflake. Just the packaging itself, that like glittery silver, and I'm drawn to shiny glittery things anyways, but that is stunning. I am going to swatch these later on because I still have to finish my face, and before we go ahead and finish the face, I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. The next one is So Hollywood. This is the lighter of the goldish colors. And then the next one is Sunset Aura. This is the darkest of the highlighters, and I think if I mixed them all together, like I could get that really bronzy glow. Maybe when I have a suntan, we'll see. But that packaging, I'm loving the pink glitter on it. It is beautiful. And then along with the spring collection, right before that, there was the Dip Brow Gel that they released. And I have used the Dip Brow Pomade. I usually use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to fill in my eyebrows. But I wanted to try this out, so I tried today. It's gonna take some practice. I watched a couple of the tutorials. I was looking on Sephora how to use it. There were some recommendations to do pomade and then do this, but I tried it just using the gel, and it wasn't, let's just say that's not what's on my eyebrows right now. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows, which is so much easier. I prefer a pencil, but I will try this out. If I figure out how to use it, maybe I'll do it on camera for you guys. But I wasn't a fan at some points where I was trying to apply it. If there was already brow gel there, it was actually pulling it off. So practice. Practice maybe makes perfect. We will see. Now, I have done everything for my face with the exception of highlighter, and you guys know I usually like to do my highlighter before I go into my eyes. So I want to go and jump into these highlighters real quick. So this first one is Snowflake. That is just so icy. This one is So Hollywood. And then this one is Sunset Aura. So right here, this one is Snowflake. This one is So Hollywood. And then this one is Sunset Aura. I'm gonna go in with So Hollywood first. That is really pretty. It just gives that like golden sheen. I think I do want to put a little bit of Snowflake on top of it just to see if we can, I don't know, tone down the gold a little bit. Just just a little icy. Oh, it's so pretty. This is so Hollywood that I'm putting right here. It just catches the light. It's just really beautiful. So 3 new highlighters, definitely adding these to my collection. Just, oh, it's so... All right, I'm gonna go ahead, prime my eyes, and then we're gonna zoom you in so you can see what I do for this eye look that I currently have no idea what I'm gonna do. We'll figure it out together. I'm gonna go into this shade Sails to set my eyeshadow primer using my JS5 from the Morphe x Jeffree Star collaboration. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout, but we're used to that, right? I'm gonna go into this light peach shade Estate and put this in the crease using that same JS5. All right, it's building, but it's like my skin tone. Do you see that fallout? That's crazy. I mean, we're used to the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes having fallout. I just care that the colors work well, they don't skip, they blend out nicely, and so far, so good. Like, I didn't swatch these to begin with, but like what colors? I kind of want to use these two. I'm going to take the shade Monte Carlo and put this in the outside corner. And I think I'm going to pull that out a little bit. I'm gonna go into this shade Cans and put this in the outside corner. We're just gonna build it up using the Luxie 213 eye shading brush. And I'm just gonna pack it on there and get my shape and then blend it out. But I wanna keep this pink hue right there as well, so I'm not taking it too far out. That same brush that had Monte Carlo on it. I just want to get that pink hue on the outside of Cans. I'm going to take this color Seychelles, this turquoise green, with my finger, and I'm going to put that in the middle of the eye. Just, oh, it's just so, so beautiful. So beautiful. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Seaside. It is really pretty. It's got like a bluish hue, but it's just kind of a periwinkle. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I am not explaining it well, but it is beautiful. And that's gonna go on the inside corner. That might look a little crazy right now. So go back in with the turquoise, go back in with the blue. Now going back into Cans on that eye shading brush and just blending it a little bit. Now with that brush that I used for Cans, with no product on it, because I just used my color switch to clean it off, I'm just kind of patting them together to kind of give that like married effect. And I'm just patting on that harsh line that we had. Now on my large fluffy brush with the shade Monte Carlo, I'm just going to take a little bit under the eye. I'm going to go into the shade Coastline and just kind of smoke it out underneath here. And that's going to be on my Luxie 213. And then lightly into Cans, I'm going to put that in the outside corner underneath the eye. I'm going to take the shade Inheritance, this gold yellow shimmer on my Luxie 141. I know, it kind of looks crazy right now because I don't have any eyeliner, eyelashes, any of that. It looks crazy. I'm gonna go into the shade Estate again on my large fluffy brush and just in the crease blend all those harsh edges. Now for the upper brow bone, there's not really a color in this palette that I would use. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back into Snowflake and just put that in the brow bone. So back on my Luxie 141. Okay, so Snowflake in the upper brow bone. It is really icy and beautiful, and I think it looks really pretty. So usually I would match my inner corner to my brow bone, but I wanted that pop of color in the corner, but I didn't want it on the brow bone because I'm thinking that yellow up there would just reminds me of like Mimi. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish up my eyeliner, mascara, and apply some falsies from Lilly Lashes. These are the Mink Miami because I think this look calls for some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I did eyeliner on the waterline, mascara, and then I put my falsies on. These Mink Miami lashes by Lilly Lashes are so beautiful. I didn't do a winged eyeliner. I just didn't think that I needed it today. This is the first time I've gone without a winged eyeliner and put falsies on, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I like how it looks. Do you think that I need winged liner? What? So this is the first time that I've gone without doing a wing liner when I put my falsies on. What do you think? Should I go without winged eyeliner more often and just do falsies? It's a new realm for me. So just like last year, applying falsies was new. This is new to not have like eyeliner plus falsies. Yeah, whatever. And then for the lips, I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. I just went in with the Diamond Lip Gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a really pretty color. It just makes your lips look so juicy. And it's not like super sticky and tacky like some of the lip glosses that you can get out there. But I like it because it just, it's simple. You still see the color of your lip, you get a little bit of glitter and shine, and then everything else is just drawn to your eyes, which I'm liking this look. I don't normally put yellow. I don't think I've ever done an eye look with yellow. So I'm liking my eye look. It's a little bit different for me because I'm used to having that winged eyeliner. But what do you think? If you like this look, like this video, put your comments down below because I'm interested to see what you guys think. I know I do a lot of neutral looks because, well, that's what I have to do for work, but I like to do colorful looks on the weekend, and this, it's not the most colorful look I've ever done on my channel, but it is very colorful. It is something that I like. It's not something that I would do every single day, but pops of color like this, just so beautiful, so stunning, and I'm actually liking it. Now, I want to give you my final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette and the highlighters. You do already know my final thoughts on the Dip Brow Gel. I need more practice with it. We will see if I ever get a handle on it, but when I was using it earlier today, like, it frustrated the crap out of me. All right, so the Riviera palette, really pretty. I like the theme on it. You know, French Riviera, it's got the canvas, like if you were to go on the boat or the yacht or whatever. And then you've got the mirror, which you always get a mirror with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, at least the ones that I have. And then this color story is so beautiful, so bright. It's just, and they blend it out well. There was one point where I thought it wasn't catching, and then I just realized that my eyeshadow brush hadn't gone there. So once I applied it, it did what it needed to. And they blended out really well. They worked cohesively together. The metallics, yes, I applied it originally with my finger, and then even when I put it on with a brush, a dry brush, it went on beautifully. So I didn't lose any of that metallic shine that I had when I applied it with my finger. Perfect. There are only a couple colors that I didn't actually use, like Cabana, which is like this mustard yellow. I'm not a fan of yellow. Like, I used the color Inheritance in the inside corner. That yellow is stunning. It's more of like a goldish metallic yellow, but this mustard yellow is not my jam. So we will see. I think we had a similar color in the Subculture palette, but I don't think I ever used that one either. So whatever. We didn't use Bahamas. Swatched it. It's beautiful. So maybe next time I will do more of a focused pink and purple eye, but who knows. Palm, this brown shade right here. I didn't need another brown color on my eye today because I do a lot of neutrals and browns and didn't need it. Now, Palermo, Yacht, and Mediterranean. There is a feature for them. They are beautiful and I'm interested to see what I can come up with. I do think that you can also do some neutral eye looks with this using Estate, Coastline, Palm, and then Yacht. I think you can get a neutral eye look out of it as well. So if you're interested in getting this, let me know. Put it down in the comments box. I'm interested to see who also wants to get this palette, and maybe I'll do a neutral eye look for work one day and videotape it. Who knows? We will see. But I'm actually really impressed with this palette. The packaging, the colors, the blendability. Yes, there's some fallout. We're used to that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, but I didn't have any fallout on my face, which was great. I actually really appreciate that. So this palette, if you're gonna go get it, I recommend it. You're not gonna be disappointed. Now, the highlighters. These are beautiful packaging. The highlighters go on so beautifully. These two mixed together were beautiful, and it just kind of gave us that like really pretty, like, it just lightened up and brightened that gold. This is gonna be probably a little too dark, but I can probably use this as an eyeshadow. Maybe I'll do a video with that showing you guys how you can use your highlighters as eyeshadow, which is what I do a lot when I'm at work and I just don't have time to do my makeup. These highlighters, really pretty. I will probably get more use out of these as highlighters because of the shade that they are in. This will probably be, not even when I have a tan. It's a little too dark, but it will be beautiful as an eyeshadow, just all over the eye. And I'm interested to see what I can do with this one because, like I said, I do like a good highlighter. Maybe I'll mix all three and see what color I come up with one day. The highlighters, if you're gonna get them, just check out the colors that are in your shade range. They are stunning. All right, you guys, those are my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, and the Dip Brow Gel. Now, this is it for this look. This is it for the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which come up 3 times a week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this content, you like this video, and I will continue to put out these type of videos. If you have any suggestions, put those in the comments box down below. I'm always interested to see what you guys want to see from me. And until next time, you guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.